What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to a new video on the football index on Binance. I think it's only on Binance, or also on Maxi. I think something like that. I'm not sure, but it's like it's like an index of the biggest fan tokens. All right. I made a video on that. Just look up like football / USDT Cilinix Crypto. I made a video on how it's distributed. You can also just look it up on Google and you'll get to a Binance page. But basically it's a distribution of the biggest in market cap, biggest fan tokens. And obviously with the World Cup coming up, this is quite hyped up, and a lot of people in the community were requesting it. So I thought, yeah, it could actually be very interesting to take a look at this. Especially since we're at very low levels, right? So there's actually some potential in football USDT. So I wanted to talk about the price first, and then I'll talk about what I think the best way is to actually capitalize on some of these fan tokens, because I do not have a single doubt in my brain that some fan tokens are going to absolutely get a huge rally before the World Cup. All right, but it's going to be a little bit different than what you might think. So you can see that football USDT itself, the fan tokens weren't that strong, or at least most of them weren't that strong. I think some like Santos were actually pretty stable. Now Santos has dropped down quite significantly as well. Yeah, so you can see that also in football USDT. Now we have found a significant support level at around $750. All right, that's a huge psychological support level. And we were seeing some more, I mean, we haven't even seen that much bullish momentum because of the market. But now we are seeing some more bearish momentum because the market is dropping down a little bit. You can see that Bitcoin, Ethereum are dropping down quite hard. I still think that this level between 750 and 725 can hold. All right, at least for now, I think so. And I also think that we'll find support. And that will get up to even this level right here. So either, I think somewhere this week or beginning of next week, I think we'll find enough bullish momentum to get up to this level right here between 825 and 850. And that's the most important level, because in the end, the most bullish scenario would be breaking above that, and then we would get to 900 and 925. But more importantly, we would have a more bullish market structure, and we could go all the way up to 1,000. All right, so then I'll update it, but this unfortunately doesn't seem like the most likely scenario yet. All right, the thing is, I kind of expect us to kind of just consolidate here until, and it's almost impossible to predict when, but until we get that rally with the fan tokens, which I do think is going to happen. When that happens, because all the fan tokens are very correlated, football USDT is also going up, and the moment we break above 845, it's on. All right, then we could actually have a rally, and then I would definitely pay a lot of attention to it. But until that time, unfortunately, I think we'll consolidate between 825 and 750, 725. So it could be good to actually buy some at 750 and 725. I might do it, but if you think we're going to drop down lower, which is completely possible as well, then you would buy a little bit lower. Apart from that, as I said, it might be better to just buy some individual fan tokens. Because football USDT in essence is the biggest fan tokens, and which fan tokens usually go up the most, you would say with the lowest market cap, isn't always true. All right, so it's hard, but sometimes like the biggest fan tokens actually increase the most as well. But what I've seen throughout my experience through fan tokens, which started at like March this year when Alpine was very bullish, it's always one new fan token that is very bullish. So first that was Alpine. I'm not going to show it, it's going to take too long. Then it was Santos, which was very strong. Now for the World Cup, I don't think it's going to be a club fan token. I think it's going to be like the Argentine Football Association fan token. Only has a 17 million market cap, is also a Socios Chile's token. So something like this, or like the Brazilian national team. France, do they have one as well? France fan token, is this a real one? Yeah, this is not the real one, so don't invest in this. But the Argentine, Brazilian, I think those national team fan tokens will actually perform very well. So it could be nice to pick some of that up instead of football USDT, at least in my opinion. But that's my take on football USDT, for now at least. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening. Take care and bye.